guys, Violet Slime here, back with another video for you guys. So today we're gonna make some DIY slime. So yeah guys, it's very dark here, so I'm just going to change position. Sorry guys. So is it better? Okay. So yeah, we're gonna make DIY slime without borax detergent, liquid detergent, eye drops, contact lens solution, liquid starch, and all of that. So we're just going to make a slime with one ingredient. So yeah guys, make sure if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button down below and like this video if you enjoy it. So let's get started. So the things you'll be needing are a bowl. So I asked my mom if I can use this because it's broken. When we bought it, it's broken. A while ago, we just brought it. So a bowl, something to mix with, clear glue, laundry powder, tough, some cup, paint, optional, and glitters is also optional. So you will also need some hot water. So yeah, let's get started. Get your bowl and your glue. Just add your glue. So I'm just going to test this out if it works with like clear glue, because it works with the white glue. I can open it. Let's open this. Open. So yeah, let's pour it in. Woohoo! You can't see guys because it's clear. What if I turn this off? So yeah, there's only one that's inside. So already empty. This is how much it is. So just add your paint. Here, using orange, and mix. So if you hear the background noise, it's the TV. Okay. And some glitters. Optional. Okay, and mix it together. after that, just put this aside and get your cup and your lollipop powder. This is stuff, guys. So I'm going to add like 3 spoons. And also add hot water. So I'll be back, guys. Hot water. See, like the part of it. So just mix that up. Let's go use this. Super hot and get cured. And the mixture of it. And just add a little bit of amount every single time you add. So I'm just going to get the spoon of this. It's like this, it's like rubbing it in stress.
Sometimes, kailangan natin bitawan ng isang tao para matuto siya tumayo sa sarili niyang paa. But look at you. Nagagawa mo na yun. So now you can work with me. Think about it. And you have to drink too much and that's an issue. But I'm okay. Tagal natin pinakita.
It was nice to meet them, but I hope I never see them again.
Otherwise, don't worry about it. I'm a grown woman.
I know it breaks your heart. Moved to the city in a broke down car. 4 years, no call. Now you're looking pretty in a hotel bar, and I can't stop. No, I can't stop. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Write that tattoo on your shoulder. Pull the sheets right off the corner of the mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't ever getting older.
Like really works. It works with clear blue.
So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of
Let's clean up the bowl. Super heat. Already made it. I can hold it. It like really works with beer glue because sometimes white glue is like when you make it, it's like hard, but this is so soft. It's like a pill, but it's better. It's like bulky guys, but it's good. See?
To our family here in RG Caminos Medical Hospital.
So yeah guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it. And also comment down below some suggestions and any ideas so I can make it. So yeah guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching guys.